Hello, New School Beyblade here. Today I'm doing a little unboxing video for you guys. I don't want to mess this thing up, but yeah. Let's get into this, shall we? I've been waiting for this. If you guys don't know, I was raised with Plastic Generation, and this is something pretty cool. Okay. Y'all really can't wait for this. I got the other set of this, but that one's pretty cool. I was 12 when that came out. But yeah. Come here, my baby. Yes. Oh, whoops. It's another Beyblade Burst remakes. So yeah. This is a Beyblade 20th anniversary set. And oh god, yes. But before I show you the base, look at this artwork. Ugh. If you guys don't know, I'm a huge artwork guy. I love artwork. And wow. Oh god, I didn't put the stickers on, yay. But yeah. Let's get into this. Close this up. I'm definitely keeping these boxes. I have the other box too. The other box set. For the the Metal Saga. I'm keeping both of these in box. It's not the base itself. I'm taking the base out. I'm really excited for this, big time. Oh, okay. That's gonna be pretty easy. Okay. There we go. Okay, it's just the basic stickers. Dragoon Dragoon F, Dragoon S, all the OGs. You should know who these guys are. I'm real excited. Let's get the here's Dragoon S. These teeth are a lot stronger than the other one. Well, they actually fixed that. Yeah, that's a lot better. Or, yeah. Dronzo. I didn't get these guys for Takara. I got the Hasbro one, so. Oops. Okay. Oh, weaker button. Dracil S. No, Jigger S, I mean. Yeah. Dracil S. A lot better teeth. Here's Wyborg. I never had this one actually. Oh, so another bearing, yay. Another bearing. They should have made it a little bit heavier, but besides that. Here's Dragoon F. Another variable driver. Trigger F. Another one. Yeah, that's a nice one, of course. Oh. Pretty good teeth. Here's the new guys. Dracil F. Zero. Another one. Oh god. Pretty good teeth. This should have been in metal. It's the clutch base that's on it, and that's metal. And that's the one thing. And we're still F. 10. And of course, good teeth. Okay, at least they got this right. But yeah. Let me put the stickers on and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, I'm back. So yeah. Here's the crew again. Here's the V. I mean on the S series. So yeah, amazing bays overall. Like this. Trans driver. That's actually really accurate to the actual thing. Because you can switch it into the middle. And they should make this middle, at least. And then you switch it into attack mode. So, Hasbro gave it the wrong one. And this should have been metal. It's a metal tip. Metal. It's basically a metal fusion. But besides that, Dragoon is a pretty good one. They did what they could do with this one. And Drasil, they should have made. They should have had a metal ball. They should have added a metal ball for him. But besides that, pretty tight. This one's pretty accurate. Besides, they should have given a little bit an actual disc. Fit, a better disc. But besides that, it looks amazing. This one is accurate, and just the actual layer itself is accurate. But this one, not at all. Should have made it better. But besides that, that's the only thing wrong with this one. This one's pretty accurate, but it had this piece. Yeah, this one is pretty accurate, big time accurate. This is the one that's really accurate. These guys are the most accurate out of it. But besides that, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.